on board the Munabao Passenger Express Special actually. When we started in the morning it was just about 11 degrees, but the same temperature when you are moving will bite you. Quite a few peahens here. Peahens, peacocks. There is so much of dust here in the coaches.
फ्रेंड्स पे चाय पिला दो.
इतना डेस्परेट हो गया है बंदा. गाय भैंस को भी नहीं छोड़ रहा. दूध दे दो, चाय बनानी है. Good morning everyone. We are walking towards Barmed railway station. It's 7:10 on the clock. The temperature is 11 degrees. Welcome back to the new vlog. This is in continuation to the previous vlog which I ended after coming to Barmed. वो एंडिंग भी मैंने आज सुबह शूट की थी, कुछ था ही नहीं.
वेलकम टू द न्यू डे.
वेलकम टू द न्यू डे
ऑफ द ओल्ड ब्लॉग, नॉट न्यू ब्लॉग.
कंटिन्यूशन ऑफ द राजस्थान सीरीज. वी आर हियर.
देयर आर स्कोप फॉर परफेक्शन. यू नीड टू वर्क ऑन दैट.
ठीक है भाई, ठीक है. फीडबैक दे देना सीरीज के बाद में. वी आर वॉकिंग टुवर्ड्स बारमेड रेलवे स्टेशन. दिस destination was added only for a special purpose from my perspective. We are going to take a train journey to Munabao, the border point, which is a branch line from here that starts from Barmed. So we'll quickly go inside, get ourselves some tickets. It's 20 minutes to departure time. The train starts at 7:30. It's already 7:10. भाई लग ही नहीं रहा 7:10 है.
बट फिर भी हम लोग है ना चाय पियेंगे.
चाय पियेंगे.
डे ब्रेकआउट भी नहीं हुआ इधर.
चल मैं टिकट ले लेता हूँ, तू चाय लेके आ जा.
नहीं
क्यों?
यहीं रुक के चाय पियेंगे
भाई 20 मिनट बचे हैं.
हाँ, फिर भी विल गो.
इसको कहते हैं नहीं, मैं कुछ कहना नहीं चाहता. जा सुबह मंगा ही रहा था, कुल्लड़ में मंगा लियो. सो दिस इज ए शॉप जस्ट आउटसाइड बारमेड रेलवे स्टेशन. इट्स आई थिंक कॉल्ड द VIP एक्सप्रेस. चाय, जूस एंड लस्सी. दैट इज द सीटिंग रेस्टोरेंट वेयर वी कैन सिट एंड ईट. विल सी इफ वी कैन गेट आवर लंच दिस आफ्टरनून. दोपहर का लंच इसमें खाया जाए.
फटे तो फटे, नवाब भी ना
हटे, बिल्कुल ना हटे. सो द फर्स्ट कप ऑफ द मॉर्निंग इज इन अ कुल्लड़. कांट गेट एनी बेटर देन
चाय
दिस.
दिया, बोलते 30,000 रुपये.
30,000.
मैंने बोला ये ले 50 का नोट, 50,000 रुपये बोल, 20,000 वापस गए.
उसकी भी फट रही है सुबह. Across Indian Railways, you have many such coach restaurants being developed, and this is the Barmer version.
ओरिजिनल कोची लग रहा है.
हाँ, ओरिजिनल ही है. बहुत जगह ओरिजिनल कोच ही लगा के बैठे हैं. मुझे लगता है वो माल गोदाम रोड वो वाला होगा. हम उल्टी दिशा में आ गए. वो देखो ट्रक आ रही है, वो वाली. हाँ, देयर, दैट इज द टिकट बुकिंग ऑफिस. ये अपनी है. हाँ, देख वहाँ पे देख, 2 गाड़ियाँ खड़ी हैं, देख, बैक टू बैक.
हाँ.
वो उस तरफ निकलेगी, ये इस तरफ निकलेगी. छोटी मोटी रेक्स में ये अरेंजमेंट होता है हमेशा. टिकट इन हैंड. द टिकट टू Munabao कॉस्ट 60 रुपीज़ पर पर्सन, 120 रुपीज़ फॉर अ वन वे जर्नी फॉर 2 पीपल. भाई यार मैंने तो बाल भी ठीक नहीं किए यार.
एक्सप्रेस के चार्ज ले रहे हैं.
हाँ ठीक है, चलेगा. ये एक्सप्रेस का ही एवरेज है, इसका 55 का है. सो वी आर ऑन बोर्ड द Munabao पैसेंजर एक्सप्रेस स्पेशल एक्चुअली. स्टार्ट हैज़ बीन गिवन. So it's going to be a 2-hour 10-minute journey to Munabao, and you can see here TKD WDP 4D twins 40149, and I don't know what the trailing loco's number is. It is one of those newly repainted locos of Tughlakabad set. Anyway, we'll get to see it when we come back in. We'll be back by around 12:30. We'll be returning the same passenger. This is just to enjoy the ride till Munabao. We made it with 5 minutes to spare, 5 or 6 minutes to spare. We got the ticket, entered the platform at 7:24. We got a seat in the first coach at 7:27. Electrification has reached Barmed as well. You can see the empty rake of Barmed Howrah Express on platform 3, and also there is this automated washing facility. But who cares about all that for now? Listen to the chugging. We are approaching our first halt, Jasai. Jasai नाम है उसका. 18 kilometers from Barmed. देख ले भाई. we are approaching our first halt, Jasai. You can see by my getup, I'm not able to stand in the door. It's freezing cold. When we started in the morning, it was just about 11 degrees, but the same temperature when you are moving will bite you. Our loco is Abu Roads WDM 3A 16770. We maintained a constant speed of 100 kmph, and I think that is the MPS of this line. Continuous chugging, honking it's a bliss. It's definitely a bliss for any rail fan. A small crowd is waiting for this train. Approaching our next halt, Vajpur. Sri Hitesh Patel ji is in hope of getting some breakfast. Okay, wow. Totally hope. वरना backup तो है तेरे पास chips का packet. He brought one huge chips packet. Let him have it. Okay, looks like a mainline entry. Hands are bloody freezing. But for this Alco ride with this amazing chugging and honking sounds, I'll withstand this. So it is a mainline entry. There is only one platform on the right side. I am on the left side. Quite a few peahens here. Peahens, peacocks. In Rajasthan, especially in this part of the state, the western and the northwestern parts of the state, you will find two things in common. One is a lot of sand, and the other is of course the peacock, our national bird. Starter signal जो है किस कलर में है?
ग्रीन है.
ग्रीन है?
हाँ, अभी पार करते ही ऑरेंज हो जाएगा.
नहीं, पार करते ही रेड हो जाएगा. यूजुअली स्टार्टर सिग्नल जो होते हैं कॉशन ऑरेंज होते हैं. ऐसा क्यों? क्योंकि उसमें सिर्फ दो एस्पेक्ट है, दो ही लाइट दिख रहा है ना तुमको. हाँ. पता नहीं ये क्या मतलब सिस्टम है. या तो लूप लाइन की सिग्नल रेड है. नहीं, लूप लाइन में जब गाड़ी खड़ी होगी वहाँ से स्टार्ट होगी, शायद उसका सिग्नल जो है एम्बर होगा. तुमने बारमेड में देखी थी ना अपनी सिग्नल, एम्बर ही तो थी. हाँ. लेकिन आगे और एक सिग्नल लगा हुआ है, वो LSS है, लास्ट स्टॉप सिग्नल कहते हैं उसको. वो हमेशा ग्रीन ही रहती है. So we have arrived our next halt, Ramsar. Each station is seeing only the boarding or deboarding of a few passengers here and there. So either most of these passengers are headed to the destination or maybe a station or two before that. There is the station name. Ramsar. So we are about to depart from Ramsar. Interestingly, Ramsar is also a halt station. But for some reason, we have a halt at Ramsar, but we didn't stop at Khadi. I don't know why. Maybe this village has more population, or I don't know what's the reason. You could see a lot of old buildings over there in Ramsar. So these buildings usually are the residences or the quarters of station staff, gangmen, people who work in the station. Hitesh and I saw a few buildings outside Udaipur station when we walked out yesterday. So I'm guessing it could be used by those people. But this looks way too dilapidated in condition to be even used by a person to stay for some time, let alone live there. The houses near Jaisalmer station yesterday, they looked in a much better shape. And you know, people were there sitting outside those houses also. These don't look in such good condition. So I'm not sure if they are being used or not. Meanwhile, I don't know if my voice is audible. The chugging sound may be overpowering it. The honking as well. Do enjoy the music. Desert branch line. I'm not even able to lean out because of the dust. We are passing through barren, muddy landscape. So there is a lot of sand and dust that just blows up on your face when you try to lean out and see if there's any curve, observe the signal or the upcoming station. I just leaned out now to see if we are approaching any station. We seem to slow down momentarily, but the moment I put my head out, I got a burst of dust flying onto my eyes. I have decided to stay inside. Unless and until we are in some station, it is not advisable. We are not even in the urban scape of some town like Barmed, where you won't have these dust and even in the urban scape of Barmed, where you won't have these dust and sand flying into your face. So we have reached the outskirts of Barmed, typical rural Rajasthan, western rural Rajasthan. That's more important. We are slowing down. I think we are approaching our next halt, Gagadia. It's a speed restriction. I don't know if we are near Gagadia, but there is a speed restriction board up ahead. Oh, okay. Rajkiya Adarsh Uch Madhyamik Vidyalay, Gagadia. I think this is it. Oh yes, the platform's on the side. Ah, a calf just escaped certain death. Alright. Gagadia. कुछ नहीं है. लोग चढ़ रहे हैं, लोग उतर रहे हैं, लेकिन खाना कुछ ना मिलने वाला. Disappointment on the face of Sri Hitesh Patel ji. another main line entry, Gadra Road. We have already covered 80 kilometers in 1 hour, about 15-17 minutes. But I didn't even feel like we have been on this train for more than an hour. It felt like we just boarded the train at Barnet. So happy traveling on this alcohol train.
पूरी बोगी में हम लोग ही क्या?
बस ये है वो वाली बोगी है, उस साइड में बोर्ड देखा था ना, केवल महिलाओं के लिए।
इधर ये वाली। अभी भाई नहीं हो रहा, जा रहा है, चिप्स खाते हैं।
हाँ खा लो तुम।
नहीं आप दोनों खाएंगे भाई। भाई फूल देख रहे हो?
वो जगह भी इसलिए साफ थी क्योंकि वो आदमी बैठा था वहाँ पे। There is so much of dust here in the coaches. अबे मेरे लेंस में भी डस्ट लगी हुई है। मेरी लेंस में भी डस्ट लगी हुई है। So Hitesh did not get any breakfast anywhere, even in a major station like Gadra. He has started munching on the chips. इसी बड़े कहाँ खरीदा था ये?
थोड़ा आगे
वो चाय की दुकान पे जहाँ हम तन्नौट जाते वक्त रुके थे। सो वी द टी स्टॉप विच वी मेड ऑन रूट तन्नौट, दैट्स वेर ही परचेज दिस चिप्स पैकेट। अनलाइक लेस इसमें क्वांटिटी बहुत ज़्यादा है। बालाजी राजकोट वेस्ट ब्रांड, राजकोट लिखा देख, राजकोट
ऑफिस है, राजकोट में प्रोडक्ट है वलसाड का।
तो इनका फिर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग राजकोट में होता है। मैन्युफैक्चर्ड एट राजकोट लिखा है बे। दिस इज आवर ब्रेकफास्ट फॉर टुडे। The coach is empty. At least this portion has just the two of us. वो ये क्या लिल्मा?
हाँ, स्टेशन कहाँ है बट?
देखो ढूंढो। वो है स्टेशन।
स्टेशन नहीं, स्टेशन का बोर्ड है सिर्फ।
हाँ तो यही है भाई, स्टेशन इतना ही होगा।
ये भी खाली हो गया, ये भी अपना भी खाली है।
लीलमा
मुनावा से फिर ट्रेन पकड़ी है रिटर्न। ये तो सिग्नल भी नहीं है।
हॉल्ट स्टेशन में सिग्नल क्यों होगा? कोई मेजर सेक्शन हो तो हॉल्ट स्टेशन के बीच में परमिसिव सिग्नल देंगे बस, वो भी अगर आगे पीछे कोई गेट होगा तो। A few people got down here. खड़े क्या लोग? approaching our penultimate halt, Jaisindar.
नहीं वही नहीं है
नहीं है ना?
नहीं
So this is also a halt station. After this, we'll be reaching our destination, Munabao. It's 9:16 on the clock. We are marginally late. But of course, there is enough slack, enough and more slack. Schedule arrival at Munabao is 9:40. It's just dust, and more dust. Literally like we are traveling in the middle of a dust storm.
फ्रेंड्स को चाय पिला दो
इतना डेस्परेट हो गया है बंदा, गाय भैंस को भी नहीं छोड़ रहा, दूध दे दो, चाय बनानी है। Accelerating for one last time in this journey to Munabao. Of course, we'll be taking the train back as well. This is towards Munabao.
चलो भाई चलो चलो
ये चुप रे,
मैं बोला और चला दिया
बाप रे, तुम्हारी बात की क्या इज्जत है यहाँ पे।
बहुत ज़्यादा
nearing the end of our journey to Munabao. We have spent about 2 hours, almost 2 hours in this train, and it doesn't even feel like I spent 2 hours in this train. I have been traveling for 2 hours. It feels like, I already mentioned, it feels like I have just boarded the train from Barmet. You know, the journey between this Alco Harbour Road, journey behind this Alco Harbour Road WDM 3A 16770. It has been amazing. It was so enjoyable with the continuous chugging and honking sounds. This branch line beyond a certain point is surrounded by dust and just sand. If you initially you will feel like you won't be able to hold the handlebar because of the cold. Later you won't be able to lean out because of the dust. You know, but it was definitely enjoyable. I thoroughly enjoyed it. The significance of this line is, in 2006, similar to the Samjhauta Express, one more Indo-Pak train was introduced called the Thar Express. The link for which started from Bhagat Ki Koti railway station in Jodhpur. That train used to start from Jodhpur at 1 a.m. in the midnight and arrive Munabao at 7 in the morning. From where a connecting train of Pakistan Railways will take the passengers to the respective destination. I think it was headed to Karachi, if I'm not wrong. Those who know better, please correct me. I have not read up on the Thar Express. This train was called off later due to various reasons which I don't want to talk about. But this branch line from Barmet to Munabao is still in service. It is serving the army personnel and also the villagers who reside along this line. So the army personnel primarily head to their base in Munabao, and most of the villagers en route also use this service. Looks like we are approaching Munabao. The train is slowing down. So I'll see what clips I can take. I don't know, restrictions may be there. I don't want to be in contempt of any rule imposed here. Let's see. So all we need to do is get down here, get our tickets for the return and head back to Barmet. This branch line journey was the sole reason I even came to Barmet, and it has been worth it. Definitely worth it. Yep, we have reached Munabao. भाई संभाल के. Nine 26 on the clock. We have reached Munabao 14 minutes before time. So we have just departed from Munabao. It was a very interesting 1 hour we spent over there. We went outside, we had a couple of chais, we came back, we took some photos with the station building. That was apparently allowed over there. Station building is not restricted, but still we took permission from the assistant station master. वो लोग तो ऐसे में ही रहा था, वो छोटा सा लड़का जो भी. One boy was there, one youngster, he looked like the ASM, the assistant station master. So we took permission from him and also from the RPF officer present there, and we just took a couple of pictures with the station board, and at the barmaid end of the station, towards the 0 point end of the station, photography is not allowed, so we didn't venture that side. But all in all, it was a very enjoyable and fun journey to Munabao, and also we liked the atmosphere. The conditions here are very extreme, very rugged, to be honest, and these are the conditions in which our army and the local villagers are surviving. So definitely hats off to all of them. So now, since both my camera battery is down, and the journey is going to be a repetition on our way back to Barmaid. No crossings, nothing, just halt at every scheduled station and keep going ahead. So I don't think I'll be covering much, and I need to go back and charge the camera also. ये 110 वोल्ट का कुछ नहीं हो रहा, ये उल्टा नीचे जा रहा है. ये 23 था जब मैंने लगाया था, फिर 22 हुआ, फिर 21 पे आ गया. ये मतलब ये कैपेसिटी काफ़ी नहीं है, ऐसा लग रहा है मेरे को. So we need to go back to our hotel in Barmaid, have lunch, check out, and drive to our next destination.
One more person will be joining us.
Yes, one more person will be joining us, but we'll introduce him after reaching Barmaid. The Shalimar Express empty rake has been shunted to Jasai. Its power is standing on the other line, I guess. I wanted to spot the trailing WDP 4D. Yes, the power is on the other line. The trailing loco in the morning and the leading loco this evening. It's that green yellow livery, neon green livery, sorry. It's a WDP 4D of, I don't know if it's Lucknow or TKD. In the morning I did see Lucknow markings, but I'm not sure, it could have been DLTB as well. I'll confirm that once I reach. So now it's the home stretch. We have to reach Barmed. 19 kilometers to go.
आप बात करना बढ़िया है तू लाके
So we are at Barmed back. That is the Abu Road WDM 3A 16770. Hi. Now we have to go back to our hotel, pack our luggage and head to our next destination. We'll be meeting one special person. I'll introduce you when I meet him. That will probably be in the next vlog. I'll explain the destination as well. The return I didn't record much. You can see as I'm wearing the kerchief. यार जाते वक्त इतनी धूल नहीं उड़ी थी. आते वक्त ऐसा लग रहा था कि पूरा उड़ के मुंह पे ही ऐसा आ रहा है.
वही तो.
So we didn't face much problem from the dust while going, but while coming back it was like, you know, both of us, he covered his face with his pullover, had to cover our nose and mouths with a hanky or a pullover or whatever. The dust was too much, to be honest. So in the return journey I didn't record much except for a few clips for Insta Reels. That's about it. And I recorded 2 uncut footages between successive stations. I recorded uncut footages. As part of this vlog you might see just a few seconds from those uncut footage, but I'll try to upload them as a separate video. You will get to see chugging, honking, rugged landscape of Rajasthan, pretty much everything packed into one without any cuts, without any disturbance. They'll come as separate videos. So that is it for this vlog, guys. We have come back to our hotel, Amber Palace. We need to charge our devices and quickly check out and head for lunch. भूख लगी है. हाँ चलो. We are famished literally. The two of us have survived this 5 hours from Barmed to Monobam and back.
Special thanks to me.
Special thanks to Mr. Hitesh Patel for getting that Balaji chips. We survived this entire journey on 1 packet of chips and 2 cups of chai. So that's it for this vlog, folks. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one. Saas bhi full rahi hai meri. Until then, take care, stay safe and bye.
सत श्री अकाल.
Sat Sri Akal hota hai bhai.
टिंग लिंग.